Welcome back, family. It's your girl Gigi. Welcome to my channel, Glitter and Gold. Today, I'm going to be doing a simple style. I've been going for a while, so I'm going to do something easy peasy. I'm going to be doing Rihanna Inspired braids. I found this picture on Instagram randomly looking through hair stuff. So I started off with, I think she had some extensions in her hair. But I started off with freshly washed hair. And I just parted my hair randomly, and then I tried to do how she did it. I mean, clearly she had a stylist. Clearly somebody could look on all angles of her head and make it really easy for her. But me, I just had myself. And I just made my parts as even as I could in the front. And got some rubber bands, combed it out, and did a rubber band at the end. So it was really simple. I would feel like if anybody would try this, it's super moisturizing to your hair. You're giving each strand attention. I put on my own hair butter. I will be revealing that to you guys in a few coming weeks, and it will be for sale. I probably will do a giveaway to anybody who will try to look it up. But this style is so easy. I mean, I don't know what anyone does for work, but as far as me and my job, I can just go however I want to. So, I mean, this can clearly last for 3 to 4 days. I mean, you can make it last Monday through Friday if you need to. I noticed that my hair is getting a lot longer. It's getting a lot stronger, and it's just super hard to maintain my hair in a cute style. I mean, a year ago, it was much shorter. I could do anything, but it was short, and I was complaining about how short it was. Now I'm having this surplus of hair, and it's just growing like wildfire, which I'm grateful for. All my hair follicles work. So yeah, just braiding was challenging because my fingers are not used to moving like that. So, I mean, this did take a while for me, but I got through it. Did use my hair butter. Like I said, it will be going up for sale or anything like that. I didn't really show it, but my hair is getting much longer, like I said, and I didn't use any gel on my edges. I still have gel, just if I want to do a slick back, but I really don't need it. Like I said, for my job, I don't need to slick down my edges, and I don't see why any job would need a black girl to slick down her edges. I know that this hairstyle was much laid back and more casual, but for any style, I'm so proud of my curly hair, my curliness. I know my curls are a lot looser than a lot of people that ask me questions, but don't get it twisted. My hair still curls up, it naps up, it gets natted if I don't take care of it. I do need a lot of water and a lot of moisture in my hair at all times, but it's not like I am Caucasian, European, or anything like that. Here I'm adding just the hair jewelry at the ends. I'm not sure what Rihanna had, but I thought she had hair jewelry, rich people stuff. I don't know. But here we are. We're all done. Towards the back, I couldn't see my parts, and I really didn't care because at that time I was done. I bought the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. I'm not sure what it's called, Gloss Bomb or something like that. $20 lip gloss, which I do like. I mean, it's very everyday. I didn't buy any of her stuff, but God bless Rihanna. Hey y'all, I'm going to be doing something new to engage all of my viewers, listeners, followers, subscribers. Thank you guys. I see my little numbers growing. It really wasn't meant to grow. I just really wanted to document my hair growth journey. So I just want to shout you guys out. So first things first, comment down below on this video just one handle for your Instagram, your Twitter, your Snapchat, or your YouTube channel, and I will shout you out. Just look for your name in the next video. I will try to stay consistent with weekly videos. I did fall off the beginning of this year. I really wasn't consistent, but you know, as long as I'm making videos, as long as you guys are watching, just, you know, shout yourself out and I will shout you out. Thank you. Hey, if you want, you can follow me on social media, Twitter and Instagram, GG_wear, and Snapchat, GW106. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment down below, thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn those notification bells on.